In front of me is OnePlus Nord 6, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting any app you wanna use in this view and launching it in the background, like that. Now all you need to do is tap on those three dots at the top of your app, and from this pop-up, select Split View. Now click on the second app you wanna use and enjoy operating in both at once. If you want to resize your apps, hold this line in the middle and drag it. You can use the same line to exit split screen. Just drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down, then tap on Home button to close the remaining one. Last but not least, to close your apps fully, you can also go into the background and swipe it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!